friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download big folders and files from Google Drive easily without have to zip those files. So once you're inside your Google Drive, guys, I want to show you something. I'm going to go ahead and find a folder that have a bunch of different files that I would like to download. I'm sure you're going to be able to relate because you will have something for yourself as well that you want to download. So here, as you can see, I have a folder with a bunch of different video clips. So this can be whatever files you want. Now, what you don't want to do, guys, is to go ahead and select all of these files and right click and do a download, or simple go ahead and at the top of those folder, you can simply click the drop down here and do a download, right? As you can click the drop down here, you can do a download. You don't want to do that. There's a easier way how to do this. If you go ahead and do this, what's going to happen is that you will be able to, it's going to create a zip file and this will download to your computer by doing a zip file. But there's another way and an easier way how to go about doing this. And I'm going to show you a solution that I'm currently using. Whatever files, doesn't matter what amount of files you have on Google Drive. If you want to download them, you want to use this strategy because it's so easy and it's the best option right now that you can have. And it takes less time too, because at least you don't have to worry about having those files taken for Google Drive to forever zip those files and then wait for the download again. It's very easy to do. So what you want to do is, once you're inside Google Drive, on the upper left hand side, you have the option that says computer. Click on that. And once you do that, you will have the option here that you can add files or delete files and current and sync files using Google Drive. And here you'll see it says learn more. You have this nice. You'll have this information here, right here. Simple click on learn more. That's going to open up a new window, and this works for both Windows and Mac. And here you have the option that says install and set up Drive for desktop. Now you have the option to download it for Windows, and you also have the option to download it for Mac. So on Windows, of course, just simply click the drop down and hit download and install this exe file. So if you click download, right, you're gonna see quickly download to my computer. And for Mac, you do the same. You just simple click that and you download the DMG file and you set it up, right? So for Windows, once it is first downloading, guys, all you have to do is just go ahead and run this exe. So I can click this box here and I can go to my downloads folder and I can run this exe file, right? Now I have this on my computer already, so I'm going to show you what it looks like after you finish the installation process. If you want to learn how to install it, you can check out the playlist on my channel on how to install and set up Google Drive, right? So you have a ton of different videos there that you can check out and you can watch that video. So, but it's very easy. Just simple double click on that, run this, and it's going to install it for you. The process is very simple. Now, once you do that, go to this PC on your computer, and here you'll have, as you can see, just look like another drive here in the computer, like my local drive, but it's actually a Google Drive. Now you can open up this drive, and once you open up this drive, you have one that says My Drive. You can open that. And voila, all of your files are there. Now, let me jump back to Google Drive for a moment. So what you want to do, you want to go to your Google Drive and you want to find those files that you want to, let's say, download. So you can go ahead and you can find that physical folder. Let's say I want to go to this folder here and I have this folder here that I want to download everything in this folder or whatever. You can also create a shortcut for them. If you select all, for example, you can right click and you can go to organize and you can move or add a shortcut somewhere, right? So I'm going to add a shortcut and I'm going to also show it in the way. So let's say add shortcut. I can add a shortcut and I can put that shortcut to, for example, it could be even in this same location, right? So I can do that, add, and it's going to add a shortcut into that same space. So you're going to see in a moment what it does. So it's currently loaded and it's going to add a shortcut. This is if you want to go the shortcut way. However, if you don't want to go the shortcut way and you just want to download all of those files, it's pretty simple and pretty easy as well. You want to go to that Google Drive, find that space here. As you can see, everything is there. Open up that spot or open up that part or folder. As you can see, this was that one. And as you can see here, it even creates that one for the files, right? So here's a shortcut that says video file. And as you can see, it's making it. So it is currently doing its thing in the meantime while the Google Drive actually loads that up. So here's the files, right? And you can see that it's currently making these shortcuts. But this is the file. Now what you want to do for these files, very easy, simple highlight them, Control A, and you want to find a path on your computer. So I can simple, for example, do a Control C, it's copied, and then I can go to a different path on my computer. So I can use my downloads folder as an example. Let me right click here and create a new folder and just simple click vids as an example, right? Vids. And there within this folder now, guys, I can do a Control V. And guess what? It's gonna download those files right into this folder. And it is as easy as that. It is super fast because it's using the power of your machine. You don't have to worry too much about you don't have to worry about the internet. However, you need to have the internet set up right to have that. But the thing is, once those folders are synced to your computer with the Google Drive that you set up, you don't even need the internet at that time to download them directly to your computer because those are actually synced. So you might need the internet to set it up at first and to sync those files directly. But once that is done, you can easily go ahead and access and download those files directly to your PC, even without having internet, because they're already synced. Or you can just simply use them. So the purpose of having the Google Drive set up on your computer locally is that it allows you to have files already on your PC. You can download them directly to your PC, or you can simply work on them directly from the drive because you have a physical drive here. You have a drive there on your computer where you can simply go ahead and access those files. You can find those files, you can add them, and as you can see here, it is showing that these files are from the cloud, but they're synced to your PC, right? So guys, if you're looking for easy way how to download big files or folders from Google Drive, this is the best way how to go about doing it, by simply setting up the Google Drive onto your computer by downloading it, and you'll have that drive here and you can easily access files quickly, move them or download them from Google Drive or even to Google Drive by simply adding files there or downloading the files from there. Very easy and very simple. We don't have to zip in those files. So if you find some value here, guys, I would appreciate if you give this video a like and let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button, guys. If you're seeing the channel for the first time, I would greatly appreciate that because they help this channel to grow. And of course, you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.